How to listen to text messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on VoiceOver. On this page, turn on the VoiceOver feature at the top. VoiceOver speaks items shown on the screen. You can now tap anywhere to hear the VoiceOver. Go back and open the Messages app. From here, open any chat. As you can see, you can now listen to all the messages over here. Press the side button if you want to cancel the VoiceOver. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily listen to text messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.